I am Guru Prasanna K from 3D Fully Design. I am your 3D trainer and coach. Here I would like to explore this type of sheet metal ducting elbows in 3D. Images are only for reference. These elbows are crucial for HVAC fittings and typically made from galvanized iron. These are some of the real-world reference photos for sheet metal ducting elbows. These are hand-drawn sketches of a 90-degree elbow, approx flat pattern of a single piece, and a 180-degree elbow as well. A snip from 2D CAD for 90-degree elbow, dia 580 mm, full height is 900 mm and 2 mm thick sheet. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real picture. First and foremost, on the front plane, starting from origin, draw a horizontal and vertical construction lines perpendicular to each other of length both 900 mm. Then draw a center point arc by connecting the line endpoints with a radius of 900 mm and fully defined it. Then sketched points on both lines to represent the elbow OD of 580 mm. Then sketched the inner smaller arc of elbow with radius 320 mm. Exact center arc of radius 610 mm is for reference. I have decided the elbow to be made of 5 equal sheet metal pieces. By using the sketch segment tool, let's divide the top arc into 5 equal segments. Let's connect the segment points to center with construction lines. All these 5 segments makes 18 degrees equally. This completes the skeleton sketch for the elbow. Let's create a new reference plane exactly passing through first 18-degree segment line. Then on the top plane, draw a circle of dia 580 mm by constraining it to skeleton sketch. Added a tiny gap of 0.2 mm into inside of circle by trimming for to allow sheet metal flattening. Now I would like to copy this trimmed circle into this newly created plane of 18 degrees. Then, by using the derived sketch tool, copied it to 18-degree plane and constrained it. Then, let's connect these two trimmed circles by sheet metal lofting with a thickness of 2 mm to make first segment of the elbow. A tiny gap of 0.2 mm for sheet metal opening. Let's weave the development or flat pattern of one segment of sheet metal elbow. Let's look at the flat pattern or development of one segment with its measurements. It's about 1804 by 281 mm. Then here is the nesting, that is 5 pieces of flat patterns placed in a 2 mm thick sheet of size 1851 by 1493 with 10 mm gaps. Then it is exported to DXF, 2D CAD, which is a AutoCAD format. Then the DXF is sent to laser cutting. Then the flat sheet is rolled with a metal roller and it is welded at short side, that is inner side. Then let's create a new reference axis passing through origin and normal to front plane. Then with new reference axis and using circular pattern command, duplicated the first cone segment to 5 numbers with 18 degrees equally to make one full 90-degree elbow. And these 5 segments are welded together to finish the fabrication to form a 90-degree elbow. Calculated mass is around 28 kg. Ultimately, pictures of fabricated 90-degree sheet metal elbow and a 180-degree elbow as well. And all these sheet metal works and fabrication are done at Ruhi Steels, Bangalore. My 3D certifications. I teach industry specific solid modeling for engineering students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.